morning, my dear students. My name is Nitla, and today I am going to teach you English. So, what in English? So, in the last few classes, we learned something about speaking, writing, listening, and reading, and also grammar as well. So, today we are going to learn something about the other part of language, which is pronunciation. So, what is meant by pronunciation? Can someone tell me? Yes, James, you are right. The way you utter words, the way a word is pronounced. Yes, the rules of language, the rules of linguistics. Yes, very good. That is what you call as pronunciation. So, within pronunciation, I am going to teach you something about minimal pair. So, what is a minimal pair? Have you come across this term ever? Minimal pair. What is the meaning of the term minimal pair? Okay, none of you knows the answer. So I'll tell you about it, okay? So minimal pair refers to those words that actually differ because of a single sound, okay? Like light and right, ship and sheep. It could be the beginning letter, it could be a letter from the middle as well. But before I tell you more about minimal pair, let me ask you a question. Like I was telling you in the example, light and right. The words aren't the same. The words are very much different in the case of meaning. Light actually means something and right actually means something very different, right? So what actually makes the words different? What creates difference between the two words? You have to think about it phonetically and not on the basis of the meaning. Yes, very good, Leah. The first letter of the word, light is L. What is it? L. Try telling light after me. Light, light. But in the case of right, what is the first letter of the word right? R. Yes, right. Very good. Yes, so there is this difference in that one sound, and that difference is what creates the meaning, what gives the meaning to the word, right? Yes, very good. So now, when we say L sound, our tongue touches the roof of the mouth, the front part. Light, light, back of teeth, right? Try repeating it after me. Light, light. Yes. So now all of you try telling the word right, right. Where does your tongue go? Yes, the back of your mouth. Right, right. Yes. So that change in the first sound is what gives a new meaning to the word, right? Light and right. Just to change in the first sound and the whole meaning gets changed. Right. So it needn't always be the first sound or syllable. It could also be something in the middle. Okay, so I am going to tell you today about a few common minimal pairs. Are you ready? Yes, so after the class, you are going to identify a few minimal pairs from English, okay? And as a homework as well, you are going to make a list of minimal pairs. Are you ready for the class? Yes. So, the first example, the sound I. What is the sound? I. Okay, what is it? Repeat after me. I. And what is the sound? E. It almost sounds the same, but there is a huge difference, right? This is I and this is E. Ship, sheep. Do they mean the same thing? No, ship is only a mode of transport. And what is a sheep? Sheep is an animal. They actually differ because of just one sound. One ship has an E and sheep has an E. But because of that difference, the whole meaning itself changes. So I'll give you another example. Sit, Which of these sounds does the word have? Sit. E. Yes. So now the next one. Seat. Does the meaning change? Yes, it do. Yes, seat. So the second one, the sound is E. Sit and seat. So if I tell you, sit on your seat, you easily can grasp the meaning. But when I tell you, seat on the sit, does it make any sense to you? No. So I'll give you another example. The sound, this is E and this is A. Wet, wait. Does it mean the same? No, it does not. The difference is in the second sound. Wet, wait. So this is what you call as a minimal pair. So your task is to now identify minimal pairs from English. You are going to do this as an assessment. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.